right, so last year I showed you that you could take peanuts and put them in a crock pot and then put your chocolates on top, melt them, and like a tablespoon of peanut butter after they're done, and then a spoonful on top of a pretzel. But this year I decided that I'm going to try it in the microwave. So let's get started. I got the peanuts in here, which is just a half a jar of dry roasted peanuts. I'm using the Toll House allergen free, so it doesn't have any of the dairy or egg or tree nuts. And I poured half the bag over top of half of the jar of peanuts, and I'm going to put them in the microwave. And I'm just going to start it out in a minute, and then I'm going to go to 30 each time until it's nice and melted. It's starting to melt, as you can see. And this is 1 minute and then 30 seconds afterwards. And I will put it back in for another 20 seconds, and I think it'll be hot enough. I had to add some more peanuts to the chocolates, so, but that's why you get a nice jar and you just start what you need. Okay, I'm going to put a little stevia in it, pure stevia, just to give it a little bit more sweetener, because chocolate is kind of bitter. And then you just put a scoop on a pretzel. And some might fall off, but that's okay. So when they go to eat it, it's kind of messy anyway. They're going to have to get a spoon and a plate. We like pretzels on the bottom of them. Kind of gives it a candy bar taste. It's not something you're going to eat all day long. These can be stored in a tight sealed container and stored in your refrigerator. And you can have some the rest of the weekend. And I changed up some of these. I put a half a cup of oatmeal in the rest of the batter I had, and I made some with oatmeal in them. And they look so good, and they smell delicious. Really good, aren't they?
They're delicious.
And you have to let them set for a little bit after you get them done. You see the chocolate got hard again. As they sit, they get hard. So they'll stay on the pretzel a little bit better.
Really good.
So I hope you enjoy.